Education is evolving, and the metaverse in education is leading the transformation. Imagine stepping into ancient civilization to learn history, conducting science experiments in virtual lab, or exploring space to understand physics, all through interactive gaming. This is the future of learning. Let's explore how the metaverse is making education more immersive, engaging, and effective. Traditional learning methods can sometimes feel rigid and uninspiring. The metaverse for education changes this by turning education into an experience where students actively participate, interact, and retain knowledge in a more meaningful way. Key benefits of metaverse-based learning. Number 1. Immersive and hands-on learning. Instead of reading about scientific concepts, imagine testing them in a risk-free virtual classroom. Hands-on learning enhances understanding and retention, making education more practical and effective through the metaverse in education. Number 2. Global collaboration and social learning. Geography is no longer a barrier. The metaverse connects students from around the world, fostering teamwork, communication, and cultural exchange, all within a digital engaging environment. Number 3. Gamification of education. Game-based learning keeps students motivated. Interactive challenges, achievements, and rewards make learning fun, ensuring students stay engaged and eager to progress in metaverse-powered education. Number 4. Safe and cost-effective skill training. Practical training in fields like medicine, engineering, and aviation can be expensive and risky. The metaverse provides a safe, cost-effective way for students to practice real-world skills before applying them in professional settings. Number 5. Personalized learning journeys. Every student learns at their own pace. With AI-driven learning and metaverse education tools, personalized learning journeys adapts to individual strengths and weaknesses, offering a personalized learning experience that suits each student's needs. The metaverse is more than just technology. It's a revolution in education. It empowers students, enhances engagement, and makes learning an exciting adventure. As education continues to evolve, embracing these digital opportunities will be key to unlocking limitless potential. Are you ready to bring metaverse learning into your institution or organization? At SDLC Corp, we specialize in building cutting-edge metaverse solutions for education. As pioneers in the field, we can help you design and implement immersive learning experiences that engage students like never before. Let's shape the future of education together. Contact us today to explore the possibilities.